Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this easy beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your jean sweater, lady sweater, cardigan, blanket and baby's blanket as well. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12 and plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, bring the yarn in front and slip 3 1 2 3, slip 3 with the yarn in front and knit 1. Knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Slip 3 with yarn in front and knit 1. Repeat that again. Yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3, knit 1. Yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3 and then knit 1. So we have done here 3 repeats, 1 2 3, and after you finish your repeats, for a last 4 stitch, 3 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, bring the yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3 and knit 1. Row 2 wrong side, row 2 and for every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Row 2 and every wrong side rows, you will purl all stitches. Row 3, for row 3 and 5 we are going to knit is row 1. So edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Bring the yarn in front and slip 3 1 2 3, slip 3, knit 1. That's the repeat. Slip 3 with yarn in front and knit 1. Again yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3, knit 1. Bring the yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3 and knit 1. In your last 4 stitch, bring the yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3 and knit 1. Rows of 4, purl all stitches. Row 5 knit edge, row 5 knit edge row 1 or 3, edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Bring the yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3, knit 1. That's the repeat. Slip 3 and knit 1. Again slip 3, yarn in front, 1 2 3, knit 1. Yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3 and knit 1. Last 4 stitch, slip 3 1 2 3 and knit 1. Row 6, purl all stitches. row 7, edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Sorry, first knit one, start the repeat from here, knit one, and this stitch we're gonna knit this stitch with these 3 loops, 1 2 3, and knit this stitch and these 3 loops pass over like so, and then knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, this 1 stitch and this 2, again knit 1, and this stitch, knit and pass over, and knit 2, 1 2, again knit 1, again knit 1, knit this stitch with these 3 loops like so, and then knit 2, 1 2. So we have done all repeats here. Your last 4 stitch, knit 1, knit this stitch with these 3 loops, 1 2 3, 3 loops like so, and then knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, knit all stitches. Row 10, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 10 rows, row 1 to row 10, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.